heading north. Got an hour and 10 minutes or so to go. We're going to a car show. Not a super popular one, just one that my buddy happens to be at. His girlfriend's got a truck there. Now you heard it right. My buddy's girlfriend's truck is at the car show. And so we're gonna go look at her truck. And I guess I'll hang out with her, you know? Why, he doesn't have a truck. That should be cool. I brought a stogie, my little travel ashtray, and yeah, chill out for a while. Thank you. That's good stuff right there. Bikers stay together. Speed limit is what, 65? The helm tap means we got a bogey up ahead. Talk like I got my own lingo. You can't catch me, copper. I saw the tap on the head. Of course, there's a line of cars anyway, so there's only so much I can do. It's kind of a screwy road for getting anywhere fast. Too bad he wasn't in a chopper. Got a copper and a chopper. If my GPS is correct, he's probably in town. Although that looks like the little construction symbol, but maybe that's why he's in there. Oh, and here's a construction sign. Go figure. I think that guy just was excited to give the sign. You know, it's probably his first time tapping his head without rubbing his belly, you know. Well, I ended up seeing two cops. One of them working with a construction crew, and the other just sitting right there where everyone can see him. Most likely causing all that traffic, so it's definitely warranted. First time I ever lane split was this bridge. It was backed up to here, which is a common occurrence. Got a little track out here. Moist. Junction here, a lot of lane swapping. Prefer to lay mellow. Does that even mean anything? Lay mellow. You're an idiot. Thanks. Well, we are in Orville. A lot of jokes about Orville, and then, you know, people usually tell one. Well, I'm no different. I only know one joke. How do we know the toothbrush was invented in Orville? Because anywhere else it would have been called the teeth brush. Laugh at your own risk. Got about 25 minutes to destination car show. And my buddy Ryan doesn't even know I'm going, so... that'll be fun. Oh, this guy's got all the toys. Maybe he's moving. Alright, we're getting close. Oh, I see it. It's over there, I think. I don't know how I'm gonna find him, or where I gotta park, or if I can drive through, flip him the bird and keep on going, or what. Somewhere there's got to be some hot rods. smell gas and burning rubber. I don't, but I wanna. Aha. The Elks. Right on. It's hidden back here. Alright, sneak up on them. Looking for a blue Chevy truck. And probably a big idiot sitting in a chair. Alright, I can't really drive through there, so I'm gonna park. And I'm a motorcycle, man. We can park many places. Although, I think the shade will hold well. Nope. Might be shady now, but won't be shady in 2 minutes. Mind if I share with you? Mind if I share with you? Thank you. He just stalled it. Alright, we're gonna try to sneak up on them. Hopefully they're here, man. I mean, that was their plan. Try to surprise someone and they're doing something else.
That is the tiniest bucket motor I've ever seen. No, they're smaller. I got a nice big
I don't see him. Oh, locked on. Catch him being a lazy son of a bitch. Look at that guy right there. What the fuck?
Your buddy.
Oh, he's not my buddy.
I told you he was ugly. Classified a mini truck from Arizona, from China.
Yeah, that's Paul. Paul said he knew about that Model A before non-body.
So got his hits covered.
Nice. That's a pretty car. All right. That was a fun little time. Saw someone I haven't seen in years, unexpectedly. Surprised my buddy. That was cool. And got to see some cool cars. Used to be a bar there that I went to.